Now this video is specially made for camping family, as in this video I have listed top 5 best bike trailer for camping in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike trailer after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of camping bike trailer. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the trailers. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and amp compatibility with your camping, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Burley Travoy bike trailer redefines camping convenience on 2 wheels. Its innovative and versatile design makes it the perfect choice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. With a quick attachment to your bike, the Travoy seamlessly transports all your camping gear to the wilderness. Its spacious cargo capacity easily accommodates tents, sleeping bags, cooking equipment, and more. Additionally, it doubles as a convenient handcart at your campsite, enhancing its practicality. For those who cherish camping and want a trailer that simplifies the logistics, the Burley Travoy is the top choice, ensuring effortless and enjoyable camping experiences in the great outdoors. Number 2. The Burley COHO XC bike trailer reigns supreme as the ultimate companion for camping enthusiasts on 2 wheels. Its rugged and durable design excels on challenging terrains, making it perfect for off-road adventures to remote campsites. With a large cargo capacity, it easily transports all your camping gear from tents to coolers in a secure and organized manner. The adjustable suspension system ensures a comfortable and smooth ride, even on rough trails. Quick attachment to your bike and a waterproof cover make it practical, while its versatility allows it to transform into a convenient handcart at the campsite. For campers who value convenience, durability, and performance, the Burley COHO XC is the definitive choice, ensuring unforgettable and hassle-free camping trips in the great outdoors. Number 3. The Burly Design Flatbed bike trailer stands out as the top choice for camping enthusiasts looking for an uncomplicated, reliable, and spacious solution to transport their gear. Its no-nonsense design offers a large and flat cargo bed, allowing you to load everything from tents to firewood with ease. Quick attachment to your bike ensures a smooth ride to your campsite, and the sturdy build handles various terrains confidently. While it may not have all the frills, its practicality and affordability shine through. For campers who value simplicity and efficiency, the Burly Design Flatbed bike trailer is the ultimate choice, ensuring effortless and enjoyable camping experiences in the great outdoors. Number 4. The Burly Nomad bike trailer redefines camping adventures on 2 wheels. This trailer excels as the ultimate companion for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. With its spacious cargo capacity, it easily accommodates tents, sleeping bags, camp stoves, and all your gear, making it perfect for extended outdoor trips. The Nomad quickly attaches to your bike and delivers a smooth, secure ride, even on challenging terrains, thanks to its adjustable suspension. Its waterproof cover keeps your gear dry and secure, and the trailer easily converts to a handcart at your campsite. For campers who value convenience, durability, and ample storage, the Burly Nomad is the top choice, ensuring enjoyable and hassle-free camping experiences in the great outdoors. Number 5. The Aosom Wanderer bike trailer is the perfect companion for campers seeking convenience and versatility on 2 wheels. With its robust construction and a generous cargo capacity, it accommodates all your camping essentials, from tents to coolers, securely and efficiently. The quick attachment to your bike ensures a smooth and reliable ride, while the waterproof cover keeps your gear dry. What sets it apart is its affordability, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious campers. For those who value practicality and budget-friendly solutions while embarking on camping adventures, the Aosom Wanderer bike trailer is the top pick, ensuring enjoyable and cost-effective camping trips in the great outdoors. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more information about bike trailer. If you want, product link is in description, and subscribe for more videos and press the bell icon.